Okay, so activity number 2, one of these cards will be drawn without looking. So kukuha daw tayo ng or bubunot tayo ng cards na hindi natin tinitingnan. Okay, so we have 10, 4, 7, J, S, 9, M, 5, 2, 4, 10, and J again. Okay, so we have here 1 to 7. Probability question. So, answer that in your paper. And after 10 minutes, sasagutan na natin yan. Okay. Okay, question number 1. What is the probability of drawing a number 2? So, ilan ba yung number 2 natin dito? Okay, so isa lang. Ito lang ang number 2 natin. So, isa lang siya. So, the probability of drawing a number 2, again, yung drawing dito is hindi magdo-drawing ng number 2, kundi bubunot. Draw lots. Bubunot ng number 2. So, the probability of drawing or picking number 2 is equal to 1 by 12. So, ang cards natin dito ay, ang total number of cards natin, that is sample space, is 12. And ang number 2 natin dito ay isa lang. So, that is 1 over 12. Okay, number 2. What is the probability of drawing a number 5? So, ilang ba yung 5 natin dito? Okay, so isa lang yung number 5 natin. So, the probability of drawing or picking a number 5 is 1 by 12. Okay, so that is 1. And the total number of sample space natin ulit ay 12. Okay. Next, number 3. What is the probability of drawing a letter J? Ilan ba yung letter J natin dyan? Okay, so meron tayong dalawang letter J. So, the probability of drawing or picking letter J is 2 by 12. Or pwede natin i-reduce to sa lowest term, divided by 2, both numerator and the denominator, and that is equal to 1, 6. So, 1 times 2 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. So, the probability of picking letter J is 1, 6, or 1 by 6. Okay, next number 4. What is the probability of drawing a number? So, anong probability na ang makuha natin ay number? So, ilan ba yung number natin dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8. So, meron tayong 8 by 12. So, divided by, reduce natin sa lowest term, divided by 4. Both numerator and denominator, so we have 2 by 3 or 2/3. So 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. So that is 2/3. The probability of drawing a number is 2 by 3. Okay. Next number 5. What is the probability of drawing a number 4? So, ilan ang number 4 natin dito? So, meron tayong dalawang number 4. Okay, so the probability of drawing or picking a number 4 is 2 by 12 divided by 2, both numerator and the denominator. So meron tayong 1, 6. So this is the final answer. Okay, next. Number 6. What is the probability of drawing a letter T? Okay, so kung makikita natin dito, wala namang letter T na makikita, di ba? So walang letter T dyan. So ang probability na makakuha tayo ng letter T ay 0 by 12 or 0 divided by 12. That is 0. That is impossible to happen or impossible to occur kasi wala ngang letter T dito sa pagpipilian. Okay. Next number. Okay, last one, number 7. What is the probability of drawing a letter? So, ilan ba yung mga letters dito? Letter M, letter J, letter S, and letter J. Okay, so meron tayong 4 letters dito. So, the probability of drawing a letter is 4 by 12. So, pwede pang i-reduce sa lowest term to, divided by 4, divided by 4, both numerator and the denominator. And we have 1/3. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, so that is the final answer. 1 by 3.